When you want to really promote your products and offer some sales like around Black Friday or 4th of July or whatever you want to do, you can do that within Squarespace. There are four different types of discounts, really. The first is off of the entire order, or you could do a discount on an order over a predetermined amount that you set. You can offer a discount on individual products or on full product categories. So when you're ready to add a discount in there, you want to head over to Commerce and then go to Discounts. And you'll click the plus sign on the top right corner, and it'll take you to a new screen. So we're just going to walk through this together. The first is the name of the discount. So let's say I want to do a sale around my birthday. So I'm going to do birthday sale. Now it's important to know this is the name that's going to be shown to customers at checkout. It's not the discount code. This is the discount code right here. So we can decide if we want it to be an automatic discount or if we want it to be a specific code. And in this case, I am going to set, let's see, we'll do it as a discount code. So I'll do Happy B-Day. That'll just be it. And you'll notice too, if I erase that, I can have Squarespace auto-generate a code for me, but I'm just going to put in Happy B-Day. And then you can decide what kind of promotion you want it to be. So a percentage off, an amount off, or free shipping. I'm going to do percentage off, and I'm going to do, let's say, 20%. And here you can choose how the promotion is, what it's going to apply to. So any order that's placed at all, orders over a specific amount. So let's say only the customer will get 20% off on orders over $50 if they use the code Happy B-Day. A single product, and here you can find that specific product, or products of a specific category. So then you can choose from your product categories. Another reason why it's super important to have those tags and categories assigned to each of your products. So I'm going to do any order. And then here you'll notice that there are some options that have this blue arrow. That means it's part of the advanced plan, the Commerce Advanced plan. So here, if you're on the highest plan with Squarespace, you'll be able to limit the total uses of the discount. So it's basically limiting the times that discount can be used at checkout. And you have two options. You'll have an unlimited amount, so the customer can apply the discount an unlimited amount of times, or you can limit their use. So there'd be a maximum number of uses set for the discount. You can also enable customer limit if you have the Commerce Advanced plan, which limits the discount to one per customer. And that's one per email address. And then the final feature on the Squarespace or the Commerce Advanced plan is to limit the subscription discounts. And that would, here you can limit it towards being applied towards subscription products if you have those. So you can have it just for single-use, one-time payment products. And then at the very bottom, you choose when the deal starts, all the way down to the minute, and when it expires. If you want it to be an ongoing promo, you can just hit Never Expires and click Save. If I click Save here, I'm just going to go back to Discounts, and then you'll see it says Happy B-Day. I have my sale there. You can also, if it's we're scheduling it for the future, it would be under Scheduled. And then once a code is expired, it'll go under Inactive. The next bonus lesson that we're going to walk through is understanding and reading your product analytics, what the important numbers are there, and how to use that to enhance your products in the future.